I was really receding back into the temple area. I mean, probably almost measurable in inches. I didn't notice how bad it was until I got it back. I am a young single guy, so having a full hairline does play a great part in going out and presenting myself well, so I definitely feel more confident that way. And it was all hands on deck. Everyone was giving me the best, and with the PRP and the laser treatments following up the procedure, I definitely feel like I got the best. I got all an all-around care. I think I had it done on like a Thursday or Friday, and I didn't miss the Sunday football game. Yeah, no, I had no downtime. I went right back to work. I never really had a worry because every single time I experienced something new, they told me it was going to happen that way. Oh, the kind of comments I get from people are, especially the ones I haven't seen in 4 or 5 years, they say, wait, what happened? I thought you were thinning and now what happened? I had actually, I think, well, they considered above average recovery. So when I started to see results and then I came back and showed them and they said, well, you're ahead of schedule. I mean, even more reassuring. I got the best results that I think is available, absolutely.